How to add notes on Instagram Reels. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can add notes on Instagram Reels. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First of all, open up your App Store since we are trying to update our Instagram to the latest version. So open up your App Store, then go to the search bar and then search for Instagram. After you search for Instagram, open Instagram up, and then if you see an update button like this, tap on update and update your app. After you've updated your app, you can then head over to your Instagram and search for any reel that you want. After you find a reel that you like, what you can do is you can tap on the share button. There you can find a repost button or something similar. If not, you can simply find it right here. So after you've shared, after you reposted a reel, you'll see an add a thought option. You can simply type whatever you want here and then tap on save. And that's your note. And that's basically how you can add notes on Instagram Reels. And it's that simple. And that's all for today's video as well. If you found it helpful and useful, don't forget to like the video. And also you can check out our other tutorial videos on our channel. And yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.